421. Number 1. Owen fills 2/12 of another pan with blueberry muffin batter. Shade 2/12 of the muffin pan diagram at the right. Number 2, when Owen fills 6/12 of bran muffin mix batter, shade 6/12 of the diagram to show this. Number 3, in problem 2, what fraction of the pan is filled now? What is 1 whole equivalent to, Hadley? 12/12. How much of the pan is colored in, Jocelyn? Eight twelfths. Number 4. Lilia runs 6/8 of a mile and rests. Then she runs another 6/8 of a mile. Let's do our number line. So if the denominator is 8, we're going to have to cut it into 8 parts. Are you done? Divide it into 8s. I cut it in half because it's an even number. So each side will have 4, so I make 3 cuts on each side. I make sure that I have the right amount of parts, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to now hop 6 hops. Let's start at 0 and start hopping. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She ran that far and then she rests, it says. She's going to run 6/8 more of a mile, so I'm going to divide this mile up next. I cut it right in half. And each side has 4, so I'm going to mark 3 marks on each side to make my line match. I'm going to make sure I did it right by making sure I have 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm ready to go. She does 6 more. So I'm going to start at bullseye and I'm going to hop 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So I know that what is 1 whole worth, Marcus? 8/8, right? So I'm going to take 8/8 and I'm going to add, because you can see past this number line right here, there's 1 whole. Right here's the 1. And I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll put 4 more. I never change my denominator. I add the top row of numerators. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12/8 is the answer. So we did number 5 automatically when we were solving our problem. We did number 6 automatically by working our problem already. And we know that the distance she ran was 12/8 of a mile. Okay. All right, let's write an equation to make it simplified. 1/10 plus 9/10 equals 10/10. Okay, hold on a second. That doesn't make any sense. Write an expression for the problem that includes your answer. Well, I have it right here. 8/8 4/8 equals 12/8. Okay. Another one you could have done was 6/8 plus 6/8 also equals 12/8. That's still fine. Any of those work? Let's go back down to this one. This is what I wanted to put, where I wanted the first answer to lay. Gavin cleans 1/10 of the patio. How many parts am I going to cut this up into, Abel? 10. Cut it right in half. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I color in one of those, so that represents 1/10. Before lunch. After lunch, he goes and does 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 9. He finishes the project, which is equivalent to 1 project, or I could write finished the deck. I think they're calling it a patio, actually. Let's call it a patio. Finish the patio.